This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the display and text size on your Android phone. So you can make everything a little bit bigger so you can see it a little bit easier. Just scroll down from the top right, go to settings right here, and this setting is usually just under display and touch. So I'm a Google Pixel, so if you're on a Samsung, this might be a little bit different for you. So we can go on down to display and touch now, our display size and text. Tap this. And then I have two different options to slide from. My font size. So this is also going to increase the icon that's above it. So usually I just like it right here. Then we got the display size. You can see the icons are going to get much larger now. Then we have the option for bold text or even outline text, which can be helpful for seeing things. So just change it right there and look at the top here through the different messages to get an idea of how it changed. So you should be able to see things easier on your phone now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.